November 8. Today has been an amazing day. Today we've had the closing ceremony of the UN SDG funded program with Women of Will, involving 6 communities as well as 200 women. And what I want to say is today would not have been possible without the support, without the help of the community, of the women, of the Persatuan Penduduk, especially of PPAR Hiliran Ampang, where the event is being held.
Very good event, graduation event for the 200 entrepreneurs that have been trained by WOW. Well, it is our purpose, our mandate to make sure that we cover all the unserved and underserved communities. And we do this in collaboration with UN agencies, where we created this Malaysia UN SDG Trust Fund. We then collaborate with NGOs and civil societies like WOW to actually reach out to the community. And again, this is a great example of how collaboration between various parties can help reach out the communities that will ensure that no one will be left behind. And in this particular instance, the women entrepreneurs, they are actually trained and equipped to undertake business that can then be used to sustain themselves. So indeed, we're happy to collaborate with WOW and we hope to actually do this even more in the future.
We are incredibly grateful to the 6 women who actually had the ability, who were able to come up on stage in front of everybody, in front of all the VIPs present, to be able to share their stories, some of which are actually rooted in very difficult times, and talking about how they managed to actually move up and create a sustainable business and a better life for their families. So our hats off to them for their bravery to come up on stage. And we have so many partners to thank today: Thrive Well, National Cancer Society Malaysia, Maybank, Rekayu, everybody who was present today to support this community event and to make it a very successful event. And last but not least, of course, is thanks to the effort of the WOW team who have been here, who practically camped here last night.
Today is one of our biggest graduation day. That is 200 participants. So I would just want to say thank you to United Nations, Malaysia, SDG, to the community, especially to Persatuan, KRT, JMB, and all the 6 communities that help us to make this project. So, thank you.
So, pada saya, program WOW ni amat bermanfaat dan berfaedah bagi komuniti saya dan juga untuk saya sebagai seorang usahawan dan seorang pemimpin. Kami dapat banyak belajar daripada WOW untuk menaikkan taraf kehidupan dan juga menjadi seorang pemimpin yang hebat.
Hai, nama saya Umi Kalsum binti Kamarudin. Saya usahakan perniagaan non-nawar enterprise. I'm doing home bakery. Home bakery, I'm doing Chinese product, coconut Chinese biscuit, Indian product, laddu, and then Malay product, baudu. WOW ni dibagi I macam-macam kursus. Paling penting kursus yang paling suka, kursus kira-kira. Dia mengajar saya macam mana buat keluar masuk duit, and then khusus mental untuk handling cara emosi dalam menangani masalah.
WOW terbaik membantu golongan wanita. Hebat!